Hey guys, here's a cell shading tutorial that will let you practice Photoshop's layer options. I'll be using this technique to color a simple cartoon face in the next video. Make sure your brush pressure for opacity is turned off. Create a new layer, draw in a circle shape. Now turn on the opacity lock to make sure what you draw stays within the pre-existing shapes. Create some fun patterns. Create a new layer, name it Shadow or Multiply. Pick a random color, press Alt Backspace to fill the page. Turn the layer option to Multiply. Now clip this layer to the one below by right-clicking it and select Create Clipping Mask. Now create a layer mask. Make sure you are on the layer mask and not the layer. When you draw on the mask, black will block 100% of the corresponding layer, and the white part of the mask will block nothing. I pick black and draw on the mask where I don't need shadows. You can pick a gray color that will be half opacity to have an intermediate shadow area. You can also use the color picker to choose between the mask values that you've used so far. Now we repeat the same steps but for the light. Create a new layer. Pick a random color and fill the page. Change the blending option to linear dodge. Again, clip the current layer to the layers below and turn on the layer mask. Make sure you have the mask selected and not the actual layer. Now invert the color with Ctrl-I so it's completely black. Now pick a dark gray to let a little bit of the light layer come through, and pick a brighter value to have a brighter highlight. The nice thing now is you can change the color of the lights and shadow to whatever you want with hue saturation adjustments. Now here's the most important part. Start a timer, redo everything slowly using as many keyboard shortcuts as you can. Now quickly do this a few times and see if you can get it down to about 1 minute. Here is my attempt.